Hey, good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Big John with J Custom Build. So it's been a couple of days since I've been in the shop, and actually, I was working on this girl yesterday, so that's not true. I located the parasitic draw, and it's a big enough draw to where it could drain the battery. I don't know what happened to my multimeter over there, but I must have done something because it's not reading anymore. But anyways, the draw is coming from the radio. Something diffused to do with the radio memory. I'm not sure. But anyways, I started going through all this stuff yesterday, and I unplugged the radio, and so it's not doing it anymore. So whatever's going on in here, it could either be the deck, it could be the relay inside of here, it could be the on and off switch. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to end up putting another radio in there and seeing if that fixes it. And, I have been going through all the connections. It could just be, whatever you hook up to it. This right here, I just connected that yesterday to see if that was it, because I had one of those little connectors on here. This guy right here, and showing an error code. It's not showing the code anymore, but yeah, so that's what's going on with this girl right here. And I will be giving one of these bikes away next month, so there's sold a couple of hats a couple of days ago, or yesterday I think it was, or 2 days ago. So we're down to like 71 items right now. And so moving on from that, so if you guys want to get in it, there's 71 items left to go. And again, I'm going to drop the prices on the hats. I could do that, and if I may drop the prices on the t-shirts, but I believe I'm going to drop the prices on the hats. So anyways, moving on. I just received the axles. I got the front axle for them and the rear axle, and I got the wheels. I just picked up the wheels right now. They're mounted to balance, matching Metzler tires, and let's take a look at those. So I was able to get the same exact tire, the MEE, the Metzler Marathon. I was able to get that in his 21-inch that he had on there, 120/70, B-rated 21, and he had an Avon on the back. I was not able to find a 140/70 18, and you'd want to get anything lower than a B rating. So I ended up ordering the wrong tire for this, and I ordered the right size, but they ended up sending me the wrong tire. So anyways, I was able to locate a matching Marathon, but it's a 150/70 B18. So those 2002 Roadkings, anything below the 2007, it's really, really hard to get a 150 on there. You have to do some modifications and whatnot. So that's going to be a challenge for me. The only tire that I found available in all of the computer system that was 140/70 B18 was the Shinko, and which is what I'm running on my bike right there. But he did not want a Shinko. He wanted good top quality tires because he's a rider. He rides a lot. He's on the highway all the time. And so, I ended up getting him that tire there. So anyways, yeah, let's get some work done to this girl today. This is what we're going to be working on today, guys. We're going to be trying to get that tire on there. Oh man, it's going to be a challenge. So I might just put the front tire on there just to get the front tire out of the way and go from there. But that 150, man, I want to see if it's gonna fit. I might video this, guys, so that you guys can see what's going on. Big John with J Custom Builds. Happy Friday.